Ever felt like your QuickBooks Online is a ship sailing in a vast, complex ocean, and you're just trying to keep it afloat? You're entering transactions, reconciling accounts, maybe even sending invoices, but something feels missing? Like you're navigating without a proper compass or a skilled navigator. You're not alone. So, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered, deep down, if you're using QuickBooks Online to its full potential? Or, more specifically, have you ever asked yourself, what exactly is my accountant in QuickBooks Online? And am I even using that feature correctly? If that question has ever crossed your mind, you're in the right place. Because today we're diving deep into the often overlooked, yet incredibly powerful, aspect of QuickBooks Online, the accountant user feature. We're going to demystify it, show you how to leverage it, and ultimately, help you transform your financial management from a source of stress to a source of strategic insight. Let's face it, running a business is hard. You're juggling countless tasks, from sales and marketing to customer service and operations. And amidst all that chaos, financial management often takes a back seat. But here's the thing. Accurate and timely financial data is the backbone of any successful business. It's what allows you to make informed decisions, identify trends, and ultimately, grow your bottom line. QuickBooks Online is designed to simplify this process. But even the most user-friendly software can be daunting if you don't know how to use it effectively. That's where the accountant user feature comes in. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's clear up a common misconception. Many business owners think that the accountant user feature is only for, acccountants. But that's not entirely true. While it's certainly essential for your accountant or bookkeeper, it's also a powerful tool for collaboration and communication. Think of it as a dedicated channel of communication between you and your financial expert. It allows them to access your QuickBooks Online data directly, without needing your login credentials. This means they can provide real-time support, identify potential issues, and offer valuable insights, all without disrupting your workflow. So what exactly can your accountant do with this access? Let's break it down. First and foremost, they can review and correct your transactions. This is crucial for ensuring accuracy and consistency in your financial records. Imagine you accidentally categorize a sales transaction as an expense. Your accountant can quickly identify and correct this error, preventing potential discrepancies in your reports. Secondly, they can reconcile your bank and credit card accounts. This is a critical step in maintaining accurate financial records. Reconciling accounts ensures that your QuickBooks Online data matches your bank statements, helping you identify any missing or incorrect transactions. Thirdly, they can generate and analyze financial reports. This is where the real power of the accountant user feature comes into play. Your accountant can create custom reports, analyze trends, and provide you with valuable insights into your business's financial performance. This can help you identify areas for improvement, make informed decisions, and ultimately, grow your business. Fourthly, they can provide expert advice and guidance. Your accountant is a financial expert, and their insights can be invaluable. They can help you understand complex financial concepts, answer your questions, and provide strategic advice on how to improve your financial management. Now, let's talk about how to actually invite your accountant to your QuickBooks Online account. It's a simple process, but it's crucial to get it right. First, you'll need to log in to your QuickBooks Online account as an administrator. Then, navigate to the Accountant User section. This is typically found in the Settings or Manage Users menu. Next, you'll need to enter your accountant's email address. Make sure you use the correct email address associated with their QuickBooks Online accountant account. Once you've entered their email address, you can customize their access level. You can choose to give them full access, which allows them to perform all the tasks we discussed earlier, or you can restrict their access to specific areas of your account. Finally, you'll need to send the invitation. Your accountant will receive an email with instructions on how to accept the invitation and access your one account. Now, let's address some common questions and concerns. One common question is it safe to give my accountant access to my QuickBooks Online account? The answer is yes, as long as you choose a reputable and trusted accountant. QuickBooks Online employs robust security measures to protect your data, and you can always revoke access at any time. Another common concern is, How much does it cost to use the Accountant User feature? The good news is that it's included in your QuickBooks Online subscription. There are no additional fees or charges. Now, let's talk about how to make the most of this feature. Communication is key. Regular communication with your accountant can help you stay on top of your finances and identify potential issues early on. Consider scheduling regular meetings or check-ins with your accountant to review your financial reports and discuss any questions or concerns you may have. This can help you build a strong working relationship and ensure that you're getting the most out of your financial management. Also, don't be afraid to ask questions. Your accountant is there to help you, and they're happy to answer any questions you may have. No question is too basic or too complex. Furthermore, use the tools available within QuickBooks Online to communicate effectively. QuickBooks Online offers features like notes and attachments, which can help you provide your accountant with context and clarify any questions or concerns. In summary, the Accountant User feature in QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool that can help you transform your financial management. It allows you to collaborate with your accountant in real time, ensuring accuracy, efficiency, and insightful financial reporting. By understanding how to use this feature effectively, you can streamline your financial processes, make informed decisions, and ultimately, grow your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.